Thank you! Hey friends, come along! We're going to play a new game! It's very easy. I'll show you. First, grab the handles. Then put the rope behind you. Get ready and swish the rope and jump.
Oh!
Great! Who wants to start?
You gotta grab the rope, swing it behind your back. You gotta concentrate and swish over your head. You gotta jump and skip and keep the rope moving until you want to stop.
Well done, Sophie! Would you like to watch the video?
Yes! Jumping with a friend, it's more tough but fun. You gotta work together to get it just right. You have got to jump as many times as you can until you stop the rope.
This is very funny, isn't it? Don't forget your hat, Mia!
You put a friend at the end, opposite another friend. Jumping with your friends is always much more fun. You jump and skip the rope, but watch out for your hat so that it can't fly off.
Wow! That's the snake challenge! Very funny!
This rope makes a wave like a wiggly wobbly snake, but you've got a friend always there to help you out. You jump around like mad, it's more like a dance, but that's what makes it fun. Yes!
So, are you ready for the following challenge?
Put the rope on the ground to look like a clock. It turns fast and slow, so you better jump on time. Jump up and down as much as you can. Try not to spin and fall.
That's a lot of turning around, Baby John. So in the last challenge, the 5 of you will jump, and I'll swish the rope with the help of a friend.
Yay! We need someone else to help swish our rope. We tie it to a tree. It is nice and strong. We all hold hands together, jump 1, 2, 3 until we stop the rope.
That was a great team jump, friends! Congratulations!